Introduce a Porsche 911 991 Carrera S. It is a very unique car because of the spec, and one of the very big items it has is the power kit. The ownership history and the service history on any Porsche is absolutely important, and it needs to be very clear, especially on a Porsche as unique as this, which has £22,000 worth of optionals. This is a one owner since new. In total, it's had 3 services. The first service done at Porsche Centre East London, and the next 2 services both completed at Porsche Centre Hatfield. The power kit takes this 991 Carrera S to a GT series level car in terms of performance. It takes it from a 400 bhp to a 430 bhp. How it's done is very ingenious. The performance is it's so surprisingly good, let's just say, and you still get the comfort and you still get the things that we all like about a standard 991 Carrera S, but with the added bonus of a GT series level performance figures. The inside of this 911 is fully loaded. It's got brown with grey stone interior, matching carpets, soft brown leather steering wheel which is heated. It's multifunctional settings here, cruise control, power folding mirrors which are electrically adjustable. The buttons here have Sport Plus, which is the Chrono package. It's got PASM, which stiffens your dampers, Porsche Sports Exhaust. The Porsche Crest is embossed on the headrest. You can tell from the seats that they are both cooling, which is perfect for the summer, and heated, which is perfect for the winter. It's got Bose sound system. All in all, it is a beautiful, spec'd out interior, and something that any customer will cherish. I don't think there is anything in this interior that is missing that a customer can turn around and say, well, I wish it had that. All I love about a 911 is the heritage, the design. It's not revolutionary, it's an evolution, and we can all relate to a 911. This 911 comes in a Carrera White colour with 20-inch alloys. Now talk about the Porsche Sports Exhaust. On this 911 991 Carrera S, the PSE is set up very different to what you would find on a standard 991 Carrera S, and the simple reason for that is the power kit.